adventure seekers. Welcome to Wander Travel. Today, we're going to explore a hidden gem in China. Located in Shijiazhuang City in Hebei province. Get ready to experience the breathtaking views and nature vibes of Pingshan Mountain. Pingshan Mountain is a stunning natural wonder. With its own unique agricultural culture. It's home to the Gang Nanshuiku River and village, where you can embark on an adventure hiking trip. The mountain's name, which translates to Wind Mountain, is a fitting description for this majestic site. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing locations like this one.
Yeah.
Pingshan Mountain View is a cinematic masterpiece, featuring a stirring adventure, amazing special effects, a timeless story, and stunning visuals. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel experiences.